You've been told collagen loss is just part of aging, but what if that wasn't the full story? Because there's a $1 ingredient that strengthens skin, slows wrinkles, and was a staple long before modern creams existed. After years of trying expensive creams, I finally went back to something that's been protecting collagen for centuries. So today, we'll cover how it works, the mistakes people make, and the simple upgrades that make it even more effective. And it all starts with why it became a skincare essential hundreds of years ago, and why it still outperforms some of the more luxury creams today. Now, before collagen powders, retinol serums, and $80 creams, there was a kitchen ingredient quietly keeping skin smoother, firmer, and younger looking for centuries. Across Japan, Korea, and China, rice water wasn't just food, it was a daily skincare ritual. Farmers, fishermen, and nobility alike used it to protect against the elements and slow visible signs of aging, like an all-weather jacket for your face, keeping the wind and sun from tearing you down. And this wasn't just a cultural tradition, but a regimen that actually delivered real, lasting changes. Rice water in itself contains vitamin B, vitamin E, amino acids, and ferulic acid, compounds that protect collagen fibers, calms down inflammation, and slows down the enzymes that breaks down your skin's structure. On top of that, modern research also supports what these cultures observed. A 28-day human study showed rice water boosted hydration by over 10% and reduced elastase activity, the enzyme that weakens the skin's structural protein, and elastin. And another study found that rice water starch baths improved barrier recovery by up to 20% in people with skin irritation or eczema. So this isn't just an old beauty hack, it's an evidence-backed, low-cost tool that helps your skin support system stay intact, improves moisture retention, and strengthens your skin's defenses. But history only tells us it works. And to actually see why it's so powerful for your skin, we need to look at how it actually protects and strengthens it from the inside out. So if collagen is the framework that keeps your skin firm, your daily habits are either reinforcing it or slowly cutting down the support beams. Remember, the loss of skin firmness isn't just about age. It's accelerated by oxidative stress, inflammation, and the microscopic damage to your skin barrier. When that barrier is compromised, moisture escapes, irritants sneak in, and the damage snowballs. Now, rice-based treatments trigger two protective processes: barrier fortification, which reduces water loss and inflammation, and enzyme suppression, which slows the collagen-degrading enzymes triggered by UV light and stress. That light protective film rice leaves on skin helps maintain a calm, hydrated environment, and by dampening enzyme activity, it lowers the rate at which collagen and elastin are stripped away. So rice isn't just a quick glow-up trick, it's a long-term insurance policy for your skin that preserves what you already have. Now, what if you can take that rice water's skin anti-aging benefits and double them just by letting it sit on your counter? So when rice water ferments, natural bacteria breaks down starches and proteins into smaller molecules, making them easier for the skin to absorb. This process of fermentation can dramatically increase ferulic acid and other compounds that defend against free radicals, while also lowering the pH for better absorption. So fermentation is like adding extra plates to the bar. Sure, it can build more strength if you got the form, but it can wreck you if you don't. But of course, boosting its potency isn't the only way to get more out of the rice water. What you pair it with can make just as big of a difference. Now, the reason most people don't see results with rice water isn't because it doesn't work. It's because they're using it wrong, plain and simple. But like any other skincare routine, it's not just what you use, it's how and how often you use it. Rice water's benefits build over time, but the wrong frequency, method, or storage can cancel them out or even further irritate your skin. For most skin types, 2 to 4 times a week is enough, and daily use is fine if your skin tolerates it. You can also apply it as a toner after cleansing and leave it on or use it as a mask for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Always store it in a clean glass container in the fridge and use it within 5 to 7 days. And if fermented, refrigerate and use within 1 to 2 weeks. Now, if you want to take it further, layer rice water with other proven skin allies. The first one on this list is vitamin C, which stimulates collagen synthesis and works hand in hand with rice water's ferulic acid for a stronger antioxidant shield. The second is niacinamide, which strengthens your skin's outer shield and evens out tone, making rice water's calming effects even more visible. The third is peptides, which signal your skin to make more collagen and elastin, and they work better in the hydrated, low-inflammation environment rice water creates. The last one on the list is hyaluronic acid, which pulls water deep into the skin, amplifying the hydration rice water already provides. So think of rice water as the foundation, and these boosters as the reinforcements. Together, they don't just help your skin last longer, they help it look better in the process and in the long run. But even the best application won't save you if you're falling for the false hype and the mistakes that can undo everything. Now, rice water works, but not if you believe everything you see on TikTok. Misinformation can turn a skin-friendly habit into something that irritates or damages your skin. And some people assume if a little is good, more is better, but overuse can strip your skin or throw your pH off balance. Others believe it replaces SPF or professional treatments. Well, it doesn't. And storing rice water at room temperatures for days without knowing if it's safe, well, that's a recipe for bacterial growth, not better skin. Like leaving your protein shake in your gym bag for over a week. It's no longer fuel. It's straight up biohazard waiting to unleash itself. So remember to always patch test before using it regularly, especially if fermented. And lastly, store it cold to keep it fresh and safe. Ultimately, rice water can be a collagen-preserving, longevity-friendly tool, but only if you use it wisely and skip the shortcuts that social media glamorizes. But before you start soaking every bag of rice in your pantry, let's clear up the 3 questions I get asked the most. Question number 1, can rice water actually reverse wrinkles or just prevent them? Well, here's the deal. Rice water isn't Botox in a bottle. What it can do is reduce the activity of enzymes like elastase that breaks down collagen and elastin over time. That means it's more of a slow the clock tool than a turn back time miracle. You'll see smoother texture and better hydration, which makes fine lines less noticeable, but deep set wrinkles need heavier hitters alongside it, like tretinoin or microneedling. So think of rice water as a bodyguard, not the surgeon. Question number 2, is rice water better for hair or skin? Well, both benefits, but for different reasons. For hair, rice proteins can temporarily fill in damaged cuticle gaps, making strands smoother and stronger. For skin, amino acids and antioxidants help with hydration and barrier repair. So if you're choosing one, go skin first. Healthy skin protects everything underneath. Plus, you can still use the same batch on your hair without wasting a drop. And question number 3, can rice water cause acne or make skin worse? Well, it can if you store it wrong or leave it on too long. Fresh rice water has a mild pH that's friendly to your skin's microbiome. But once bacteria starts multiplying, you're rubbing trouble straight into your face. That's why you make small batches, keep it chilled, and toss it after 3 to 5 days. Used fresh, it can actually reduce redness and flare-ups for some people. And if used spoiled, you're basically hosting a breakout party. So let's bring it all back to the big picture. Here's the bottom line. Rice water isn't just a skincare fad. It's a time-tested, science-backed way to help your skin hold into collagen, stay hydrated, and age slower. So if this video flipped the way you see your skin anti-aging routine, hit that subscribe button. And let me know in the comments if you've ever tried rice water or if you're about to start. Till next time.